In the not-so-distant future, humanity had expanded its reach beyond Earth, establishing colonies on distant planets and moons. As the human pioneers ventured into the cosmos, they encountered a formidable and enigmatic species known as the Space Orcs. These extraterrestrial beings were powerful, with a robust and resilient physique, greenish skin, and fierce tusks protruding from their lower jaws. However, beneath their intimidating exterior lay a complex society with a deep sense of honor and camaraderie. The first encounter between humans and space orcs occurred on the resource-rich planet of Galadria Prime. Both species had their eyes set on the abundant minerals and rare elements that the planet offered. Initially, tensions ran high as humans and space orcs competed for territory and resources. However, a wise human diplomat named Captain Amelia Rodriguez sought to establish communication and understanding. Captain Rodriguez, known for her diplomacy skills, proposed a peaceful coexistence and mutual benefit. Recognizing the potential for collaboration, the space orcs agreed to a truce, and an alliance between the two species was forged. Humans and space orcs began to work together, sharing their knowledge and skills, and forming a unique bond that transcended their biological differences. The joint efforts of humans and space orcs led to the development of advanced technologies and innovations. The space orcs' strength and resilience proved invaluable in the harsh conditions of space, while human ingenuity and adaptability complemented their orcish counterparts. Together, they built thriving colonies on Galadria Prime and beyond, exploring the far reaches of the galaxy side by side. As the alliance deepened, cultural exchange programs flourished. Human and orcish traditions merged, creating a vibrant blend of customs and rituals. Festivals celebrating the unity between the two species became a galactic phenomenon, attracting visitors from across the cosmos. Yet, challenges remained. Not all factions on either side embraced the alliance, and there were those who sought to exploit the differences between humans and space orcs for their own gain. Captain Rodriguez, now a respected ambassador, worked tirelessly to maintain peace and harmony, navigating the complexities of interspecies relations. The story of humans and space orcs became a symbol of cooperation and unity in the galaxy, inspiring other civilizations to seek common ground. Together, humans and space orcs ventured into the unexplored cosmos, forging a new era of exploration, collaboration, and friendship that transcended the boundaries of species and planets. As the alliance between humans and space orcs flourished, so did the exploration of the cosmos. United by a common goal, the combined forces of the two species ventured deeper into the galaxy, discovering new planets, encountering diverse civilizations, and exchanging knowledge that propelled both societies to unprecedented heights. Captain Amelia Rodriguez, now a symbol of interspecies cooperation, continued her diplomatic efforts to strengthen the alliance. Her leadership and wisdom became instrumental in mediating disputes and fostering understanding between the sometimes wary factions within the human and orcish communities. One of the most significant breakthroughs was the joint development of a groundbreaking spacecraft, the Unity Voyager. Crafted using the best of human engineering and orcish durability, the Unity Voyager became a symbol of the Alliance's success. Piloted by a diverse crew of humans and space orcs, the spacecraft embarked on a historic mission to the uncharted regions of the galaxy. Their explorations led to the discovery of a mysterious cosmic anomaly, an ancient gateway that seemed to connect distant corners of the universe. The Alliance faced a choice: to cautiously approach this phenomenon, or heed the warnings of ancient texts that spoke of unforeseen challenges beyond the gateway. Despite the risks, the spirit of unity prevailed. The Unity Voyager, crewed by a mix of human and orcish explorers, ventured through the gateway, entering a realm where time and space seemed to weave together in mesmerizing patterns. As they navigated through this cosmic tapestry, they encountered civilizations that defied comprehension, learned from ancient beings, and gained insights into the very fabric of the universe. The journey transformed the alliance into something even more profound. The humans and space orcs became guardians of the cosmic balance, working together to preserve the harmony of the galaxies they traversed. They shared their discoveries and wisdom with other species, strengthening the bonds of interstellar cooperation. Back on Galadria Prime, festivals celebrating the alliance evolved into grand galaxy-wide events, drawing beings from countless planets to witness the unity of humanity and space orcs. The once distant worlds now felt a sense of interconnectedness, realizing that collaboration among diverse species held the key to unlocking the mysteries of the cosmos. And so, the story of humans and space orcs became a legendary saga, a testament to the power of unity, understanding, and the boundless potential that arises when different civilizations come together to explore the vast wonders of the universe. The legacy of Captain Amelia Rodriguez and her allies echoed across the galaxies, inspiring generations to reach for the stars hand in hand. Thank you for listening to this sci-fi short story. If you enjoyed, please like and subscribe. Come back to hear more amazing stories.